Yeah, in this training, we'll be walking you guys through on how we can create a seller payment link for our digital products online. So the uses of this is to help you sell any kind of digital product or services to anyone, anywhere in the world. Alright, and with this seller.com, you get to receive your payment with nothing like a stress or any stress. So now, first thing is to come over to the start selling, or you should click this start selling with seller. So now we will have to create ourselves an account. So as you can see, they said SELAR is your all-in-one e-commerce store builder to sell any kind of digital product or service to anyone. And they say creators on SELAR earn over to $1 million selling digital products and service. So now here is the step. It's just to create the 3 minutes online store setup. Then you start accepting 8 currency, which is the USD, the GBP, NGN, Ghana, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Uganda, and all that. So now you get to sell any kind of digital and physical products, and then you can host your courses and a membership site. You can even set up your affiliate marketing system and all that. But now, if you don't have anything like a seller account, just come over to this page and then include your email, your full name, and your password. But if you have a seller account already, you just have to click the login and then you have access to your dashboard. But over here, for the purpose of the training, for those that doesn't know about seller account before, yeah, just come over to this side. Just come over to this side. Then type. Let me quickly type. Alright. Okay, Jimon Sulaiman at gmail.com. But over here you have to include 713 please, and then your full name should be something of, let's say, Jacob. And over here you have to include your password, let's say capital letter M and IGHT. So let's just include something of a number to it as well, right? And then click on create account. So now we are creating our account now. So now they say, how do you plan to use your seller? So is it for a creator? Do you want to sell your products, or are you an affiliate marketer? You want to earn commission reselling, or you are a customer and then you bought a product from seller? Come over to the side and then continue as a creator. So here you can just include what we call your bank details, and then you add your product. But here you can just click on this add bank details. Here you can set up your account. You can include your, if you're in Nigeria, just click it, the bank name, either UBA or anything, just include that, and your 10-digit account number, include it here, and then you click on verify. Alright, but because I'm not including that, it can't go. And when you are done, come over to this side. Here, home, just click on this home. Now you can as well switch to affiliate profile or even switch to customer profile. But yeah, let's quickly make the settings. Come over to the settings, change password in case you want to change your password. Okay, and here is the information you'll be giving, right, for creating your accounts. Here you are a starter, can see the starter. In case you want to upgrade, you can see there's this 8,000 monthly, there's this turbo plan, so 15,000 monthly, but here you are using the free. You can only sell 40 products at a time. You can sell your ebooks, your service, your physical products, and all that. Alright, and as you can see, it's on NGN. So now let's go back home. Now you are asked to create add products, so just click on add products. But you have to, let's say you have to include this for now. Okay, let's try including one. So now I've included my bank details. Alright, I just have to pause the video to include my bank details. Alright, so you have to include your bank details the moment you create your SELAR account. So now you can actually click the add products. If you don't include your bank details, you won't be able to select this add products. Alright, so now add products. So can you see there are different types of products you can actually go for, but here we are coming for this digital product since we are selling what we call an ebooks, or let's say we are selling something that has to do with course. Okay, so what you just have to do is to click on this digital products, then click on next. Okay, so now we can start. You can see you can start the journey of including our ebook and then start selling. Alright, but over here, always come over to your Gmail. It's important to come over to your Gmail. Can you see it? Your NGN payout details have been updated, which means I've included my settlement bank account information. Alright, so yeah, Jenny from SELAR said, welcome to SELAR, it's time to do more with SELAR and all that. That is that you are successfully part of SELAR account users. Alright, so in the next training I'll be walking you guys through on how we can upload our products and then get the link to use for sponsored adverts or for distribution and all that, so that we can start generating massive sales online. Thanks for staying to the end. In this training I'll be walking you through on how we can create ourselves a product details, so that we can generate our link to start selling the products anywhere online. So now let me ask you, after downloading the product, have you uploaded it on your Google Drive? If you haven't, try uploading it on your Google Drive, so that when you upload it on the Google Drive, you have an access to a link. Alright, you have an access to a link to that ebooks or to that course. It's important to upload it on Google Drive. Okay, and again, if you are the type that you really don't have much time to download digital products online, because the products mostly there are these 350 MB, 400 MB, 500 MB. There are some that is 1 gig exactly. So if you think the MBs are kind of too much, you can just promote the 350 courses. Okay, instead of you selecting one product, you can just sell out the product or the product, so that you won't have to download anything that has to do with a product again, so that you just have to copy the exact link that I sent to you when you requested for the free training. Okay, the link that I sent you is what you'll be giving out to your prospects. Alright, or let's say it's what you will use in here, so that when they make payment, they get it direct to your to the website that the products are accessible. But let me tell you something. If you are doing this, don't give out the link to this details. Just include it here in these details. What I would suggest you do is that whenever you are creating this, when you get to this here, when you get to this redirect URL, that is when they make payments, where do you want them to go? I mean, where do you want them to have access to the product? If you are including the Google Drive link to that product in here, there's no problem. They have access to it without disturbing you, okay? But if you think you want to build list on your WhatsApp, include your WhatsApp DM. Alright, that is what I basically do, so that whenever I have another product to sell or to upsell, it will be much easier for me. So it's important you just bring them over to your WhatsApp DM so that you can start building your list. You can start building lists so that you have much status viewer. So that later when you have another product, even if it is an affiliate marketing product, you get to sell it much effectively. Alright, even before running an advert. So it's important you bring them over to your WhatsApp DM. But if you think you are always busy with jobs and all that, you can just include the 350 course link that I gave to you. That is what you will be including here. Okay, let me quickly show you this. Okay, let me quickly show you this. The PLR. Okay. Okay, can you see it? Here's it. Here's the free PLR link that I gave to you. This is the link that you copy. Just copy it like this. Can you see? It has been copied. Then come over to your seller. Can you see it? You come over to seller, then paste it right in here. Okay? But I'm not pasting mine. Okay? So just do that. But if you think you want to build your list for a later upsells or for another product you would like to promote to your quality buyers, just go over to one link. There's what we call one link. So just, can you see, I've already copied it, as you can see over here. I've already copied mine. So here's my phone number, as you can see. Just go to one link, create one link, alright. Then you'll get to this website where you will include your WhatsApp phone number. It has to be your WhatsApp phone number, either business or normal WhatsApp, right? Just include your phone number and then type something of this. Hello, I made a purchase for the cash out mastery. My name is, insert name. Then the customer will include their name. So from there, they get to save your contact and you save theirs, so that when you start posting some content on your status, they get to view it. Alright, if they are interested, they would always purchase right from your status. That is the power of you building a list. That is it. So but if you think you want to sell it immediately, you don't want them coming over to your DM, you are always busy, then copy the PLR full course, then include it right in here. Okay, but if you think you don't want to promote anything in that product, in that link that I gave you, you can actually come over to here, just type something of plr.com, freeplr.com, freeplrdownload.com. okay, whatsoever names that come to your mind, just type it and then include free PLR. Always include free PLR, even if it is an affiliate marketing product or plugin ebook. Okay, just type it, you would always see it. So over here, can you see I just type affiliate marketing for beginners from 0 to hero. Alright, and now it brought me here, so I can actually see the full PDF or even download the PDF. And here you can just copy the description. The description is important, okay, in case you are setting up this, because they would always ask for something of description. Can you see it? Alright, so you have to add your description in as even the testimonies and all that. But if you think you don't have the testimony, there's no any problem. Without the testimony, it's always compact. So yeah, let's start. So now let's include the product. It actually series 901. Here is the ebook cover that we downloaded earlier. So let's say the name is cash cash out mastery, as you can see. And here the price should be something of 1,000 since you are just starting out. Okay, when you see that the product is an high in demand product, then you get to scale it up. And here you have to include what we call show strike out, so that they will know that this product is actually 5,000 before you are doing a discount of 1,000. And here, like I said, the description of that product. So if perhaps you downloaded it from anywhere on the website, just include it. There's always a description, alright? Just copy the description and then insert it here. If you think you have a friend using SELAR, or just a coach, or just anyone using SELAR, and that same product is what that person is also promoting, you can actually ask for that person link, their SELAR link. Okay, when you have access to it, there's always that page. That page, just copy it. For instance, mine now. Okay, for instance, let's see, mine is cash out. Can you see this? Here's it. So if I have to copy this, so can you see it? Can you see it? I just have to copy it, copy everything, since these details are the same things that I want to do. Okay, I just have to copy it. Okay, let's say this is it. Okay, for example, let's just copy it and then come over to this side, then paste it. Can you see it? Everything will be showing over here. Can you see it? Even the image, everything. Can you see it? But because I didn't complete the copying, that's why it's short over here. You have to complete whatever things you are copying in that friend or someone's page, right? So here, the categories. What's your categories? My category is actually, okay, marketing and sales, and here it's actually something of, let's say, sales and marketing funnel. And here, okay, this product has, and here the pre-order, you don't have to include pre-order, we're not pre-ordering anything. And here, don't include this, okay, unless you want to give them access, like I said, if you are always busy and all that. But here, just untick this, then here just automatically direct the buyers to an external link, either whatever link you want to include, just include it here. But here I'm including my WhatsApp link, and then here I just create the product, and then the link will be generated for me. That is it. That is it. That's how you can create yourself the link. Can you see it? Here is my link. Here is my link. So